down there.
Do you have an actual like carver for our pumpkins?
No,
or are we...
no, this is how we had to do it when we were kids.
Okay.
We got a sharp knife out of Mom's drawer. We get the big kitchen knives out, and it's tough because sometimes the blade's that big, so if you're trying to make a small hole, that's a little bit tougher. But you know, those are the type of things that forge you into the person you become later in life, okay?
Did they not sell the pumpkin carvers anymore?
At least my nose wasn't broken.
Nah, they didn't have any pumpkin carvers, but if everybody would have had the Roadrunner down on the ground so I could assemble it, it wouldn't be an issue. If you're out in the woods and you got no way of feeding yourself, you're gonna wish you knew how to carve a pumpkin. You're gonna use those skills on a rat or a chicken or a monkey or something. You're gonna wish you could use a knife.
Why do we carve these after Halloween?
Now, don't do your setup for the camera. You know exactly why we're doing this.
No, yeah, that's actually a good question.
Well, it's a good question.
Why are we?
Because nobody had the Roadrunner done.
But
what they were
what's the
supposed
point
to.
of doing
Because I
it
keep
still?
my word. I said we'll have a pumpkin carving contest, and we're having one. I don't care if it's the middle of January.
There is no point in having a pumpkin contest after Halloween, except to boost Mark's ego where he thinks he's going to win the contest. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
I'm almost done, and then I gotta go bring that in.
I think my mom did it.
Ooh, you're sick.
Darren!
What did he do?
Did you just take a bite of that?
God.
Yeah, it's anything to be a fool.
Hi, I'm pumpkin.
Seriously.
Hi, baby.
I had the most fun bothering Mark when I carved the pumpkins, yeah.
This is going to turn out very badly for you, Darren, if you keep it up.
I smell like something weird.
It's a pumpkin, fool. Have you never carved a pumpkin?
Is your pumpkin rotten inside?
Yes, it is.
It really
Oh, man.
It is not rotten.
Yeah, it is.
That one is rotten.
That looks rotten inside. I think that's what people deserve. They deserve rotten pumpkins because that's what you give a customer. You know, that's a good life lesson. All right. If you tell somebody their car's going to be done on the 1st and people goof around and play grab ass and don't get it done in time, so I have to give it to them 2 weeks late, it's kind of like a rotten pumpkin for them, isn't it?
It's the pumpkin, dude.
Good.
Oh, God.
That's rotten.
I don't care.
Oh, take it away.
I don't care.
I have really bad gag reflex. Take it away.
I'm not the least bit sorry that his pumpkin is rotten. I think it's funny that his pumpkin was rotten.
Don't worry, I'm not taking the top off.
Just leave the top on it. That's your pumpkin. That's your Clevis pin.
No.
That's my clevis pin.
That's your Clevis pin. That'd be funny.
Joyce, that is awesome.
Yeah.
He's going to win first place.
This is Mark.
What the hell is that supposed to be?
This is you. If you can't tell by the schnoz,
It's too
I don't-
small.
I don't know what.
The nose is too small.
Oh, that's me? Lurch?
Yep. Take a bite of this, Josh.
Hold on 1 second, pal. I will.
Do it. You do it. I'll...
Okay, come on.
Seriously, Josh, sick. It's rotting, and you just took a bite out of it.
No, this ain't rotten. No, you got to swallow it, buddy. Bah!
Everybody, Mark here from Graveyard Carz. I can't put the top up until you hit subscribe. So I'm begging you. Hit subscribe.